Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's Biscuit. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my TaoTronics LED desk lamp, which is dimmable, such a word, dimmable by touch. So this is actually going to be my lamp for my nail desk. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So when you open up the box, you have a little thank you note. Thank you for choosing TaoTronics. Basically gives you a warranty, things like that. They have the phone number just in case you have any problems. Comes with an instruction manual, but what do we need that for? Shot, throw it right in the garbage. It comes with a, looks like a lens cleaning cloth. So we can definitely use that. It comes with the plug, so that way you can plug it up. So let's go ahead and unravel that. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in right away. So we got the juice. And now, it's so tiny, guys. So this is the lamp. Here's the base right here. And it looks like it just folds up and then it leans over. So let's go ahead and take off the plastic. Let's get the lens cleaning cloth. Let's remove the box so we can have some room. I just threw that on the floor, guys. So this is how long it is. It pretty much takes up a little bit of my desk. So I'm gonna fold it up, and fold it out. Looks like a real, So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change angles. So I will be right back. Hey guys, so I went ahead and I took my phone off of the tripod. So as you can see, everything is connected. I have juice. I went ahead and I turned it on. So this is actually on the lowest setting, and then you'll have to unplug it to turn it off and then plug it back in, and then it'll be off. So if you want to turn the light up, depending on where you want it, you just drag your finger. If you want it all the way up, keep going, drag your finger, and then all the way to the highest setting. So it's pretty dope. I like it. Here's the lamp. I know you guys can't see how bright that is, but it's really bright. But it's good so that way when I'm doing my videos for you guys will have some clear footage and whatnot. So of me doing nails and so on and so forth. So I like the lamp so far. I know I have to put it to use when I'm doing my clients. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you guys like. Follow me on all my social media, which will be linked down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.